So when I just start a Facebook page and I want to build up that fan following, I want to increase our likes, I want to increase my clients' social clout, right? And by doing that, I want to just spike up the fan following in the beginning. So a really cheap way to do that and to get your social clout, get those 20,000, 50,000 likes for really cheap, is targeting to cheap countries. So that list of countries I gave you in the last section, those are countries that are currently not highly advertised to, so their rates are really cheap. There's a few campaigns and page like campaigns for clients that I've actually gotten page likes for 0.0001 cent. So it's really zero cost for those page likes. So I know these aren't people you're necessarily targeting to for the long run, but it's a great way to spike up your page likes at a really low cost. So this is where you would enter in Pakistan. There was a cheap country. But one note, remember, don't include the United States, because by default, Facebook wants to push to the largest audience, and that's the United States, and that's a higher cost of page like. So we'll just X them off. So this is where we'd build out our 10 to 20 cheap countries. Then one more tip to lower your cost per page like even more is to push to these cheap countries and then push to interests that are similar to your page. And what this will do is increase your relevance score. And by relevance score, that is a new specific rating on your ads for Facebook. And just think of it, it's just like Google and keyword search. If I type in men's wedding band and this website comes up with an SEO title of men's wedding band and a description of men's wedding band and a blog post of men's wedding band, that's pretty relevant, right? They're very relevant, and it's exactly what I was searching. So Facebook is the same way with ads. If I target someone who's going to like my page in another country, yes, it's going to be a cheap click anyway, but what if I target an interest that they are already interested in? That's going to increase my relevancy score for that ad, therefore lowering the cost per click or like even more. So if I know this person in Pakistan likes outdoor recreation, maybe I'm selling a tent or camping equipment. Yes, I've lowered my potential reach, but I've also increased my relevancy and therefore decreased my cost per click even more. For the most part, Facebook really rewards you for making good ads and promoting it to relevant people who would be interested in your product, in your website, in your Facebook page. So the combo of cheap countries and targeting people who would like or be interested in liking your page is only going to further cheapen your clicks.